Hi everyone, Kat here. Tonight I am craving for some Lao beef salad. We call it Laab. It's basically a beef tartare salad. So what I have here is some fresh chopped lean beef. Okay, make sure that the meat is very fresh and very lean. Okay, so this is beef. Chop it up or mince it up like this. Okay, and ingredients, what I'm adding here is chopped galangal, finely chopped galangal, some fresh chili peppers, garlic, and this is lemongrass right here, finely chopped or coarsely chopped like this, and this is kaffir leaves, okay, minced or chopped. Also, I'm adding some beef tripe. These are already cooked, cooked and thinly sliced. There's two different type. I have the regular beef tripe that looks like this. Okay, and also this honeycomb beef tripe that looks like this. So these were sliced thinly and then blanched for about a minute each. Okay. Oops. Also, you're going to be needing some chopped cilantro, green onions, mint, Vietnamese coriander. Okay. I didn't chop the mint nor the Vietnamese coriander. I just kind of picked it or plucked it from the leaves, so the leaves are still full like this. But you can chop it. It's up to you. I like it still big pieces. Okay. And this is the seasoning that you will need. This is the Laab namtok. Any brand that you can find. This happens to be by Dragonfly brand. Okay, so it's Laab namtok seasoning mix. Okay, some roasted rice powder. Okay, roasted rice powder. Some chili, ground chili flakes. Optional, MSG, and a bottle of this fish sauce, okay, or the Lao fermented fish sauce, padek if you have it, okay. And if you don't have this, you just use regular fish sauce. All right, so let's get started. Okay, so start with the beef here. Gonna add in all of this: the garlic, the chili pepper, the galangal, the lemongrass, and the kaffir lime leaf. Okay, in there. And you can add or as much or as little as you like, so that's up to you. Okay, I'm gonna start out with about a tablespoon, or maybe a tablespoon and a half. MSG, optional. I'm gonna use a tablespoon. I'm not afraid to use MSG, guys, so if you're afraid to use it or never cook with it, just omit it from the recipe. It's what makes my food taste really yummy with the MSG, you know. Okay, so some roasted rice powder, tablespoon as well. To make it more spicy, some more pepper. This is the ground up powder, chili powder, and the fermented fish sauce or padek if you have it. This is optional as well. I'm gonna use about 2 tablespoons. And then the tripe, let's add about half of it first. And then use your hand to thoroughly mix everything together. Make sure your hands are clean. Mine's washed already, guys. Okay, so thoroughly mix this. I'm gonna pause for a minute while I mix it. Okay, so I thoroughly mixed it and then I tasted it. And then I'm gonna add a little bit more of the Laab namtok seasoning. And a half tablespoon more. And some more roasted rice powder, another tablespoon. As well as more chili. So it's really up to you how spicy, how the seasoning that you like. If you want more seasoning, just add more. Just be careful with this one. This is salty. If you add too much, I'm actually going to add another tablespoon as well. And if you don't want to use this, just use this regular fish sauce. Okay? Okay, I'm going to thoroughly mix it again. All right, and then lastly, we're gonna add in our chopped fresh herbs. The onion, the cilantro, the mints, and the Vietnamese coriander. Put it all in there. And then gently toss. You don't want it to press too hard or squeeze too hard, otherwise the herb's gonna wilt and it's gonna look not so appetizing. So just gently toss it in. Okay, and then voila, it is done. Look at this. This is the Laab beef salad, my version. There's many versions out there. You can add or omit any of the ingredients that you saw me put in there. If you don't like a certain ingredient, you can omit it from it. But this is basically it, my version, and you do eat it raw, you guys. This is beef tartare salad, okay? This is eaten raw, or you can cook it if you like. If you don't eat raw, you can go ahead and pan cook it. Put a little bit of oil and just cook it. But this is meant to be eaten raw. And I have a tray of all the condiments that goes with it. Voila! Laab, beef Laab. I got some cucumber, Japanese cucumber, some radish, some cabbage. Let's see, this way, cabbage, some lettuce, celery sticks goes with it too, and more additional mints. Got the mint, got Vietnamese coriander. Perfect with this Laab is also this. This is the Vietnamese fish mint. Fish mints. If you ever see it at the store, this is what they look like. Okay. They go really nice with this Laab. Got some extra cilantro. And it's time to eat. Let's see. Oh, can't see me eating it, but I'll show you a bite. So I just take some of this. And this goes really well with, oh, I also got some eggplant, Thai eggplant, go with it. It goes really well with sticky rice, which I don't have at the moment, but also this is really good beer food. So just take some of these condiments, you know, a little bit of each, and this is how we would eat it. Been craving this for many days. Finally had time to make it today. Make sure that because it's raw beef, that the beef is good quality and lean and fresh, okay? So that's very important for this dish. This Thai eggplant. Yummy, yummy, guys. If you never had this, it's gonna be an acquired taste. You might even be thrown off by how raw it is, but with all the herbs and the spices that we add to it, it's basically cooked down any bad bacteria or salmonella or whatever that you may think it's gonna cause. But we've eaten this for many, many, many generations, many, many years. This is a Southeast Asian favorite called Laab. Yeah, so this is how we eat it. Radish. Asian beef tartare salad. Alright guys, I'm gonna enjoy my meal and just want to say thanks for watching and we'll see you next time. Bye!